Year 2021 also seems to be loaded with events like the year 2020. The pandemic is not over yet, and we continue to get the news of lockdowns, restrictions on movements, and various kinds of developments relating to vaccines. There are major changes in our way of living, including traveling, social interaction, learning, conducting business, etc. Astrologically speaking, the major transit in 2021 is of Jupiter. From June to December 2021, Jupiter changes its sign twice, and also it gets into retrograde and direct motion during these 7 months. Since this is a major transit of the year, except that Saturn is becoming direct on October 11, there is no change of signs by Saturn or Rahu and Ketu. Therefore, the transit of Jupiter assumes significant importance for studying the movements of heavenly bodies and its impact on the humans on Earth. Let us first study the dates of transit, retrograde, and direct motions of Jupiter from June to December 2021. On June 20, Jupiter becomes retrograde and it would be in Aquarius sign at that time. It will remain in Aquarius till September 14. After that, it moves in retrograde motion and enters Capricorn sign on September 14, 2021, where it will remain till October 18, 2021, when it becomes direct or progressive again. It will remain in Capricorn till November 2021, and then it enters in the progressive motion or the direct motion, the sign Aquarius, on 21st November 2021. And it would remain there till 13th of April 2022. As you can see, the duration of the Jupiter's retrograde motion is of 120 days. Let us now refresh our knowledge about planet Jupiter. In Vedic astrology, Jupiter is a divine beneficial planet that rules over Sagittarius and Pisces signs. Jupiter represents speech, knowledge, husband in case of females, marital bliss, wealth, happiness, prosperity, expansion, auspicious events in life, success, and kids. Therefore, in any horoscope, the importance of planet Jupiter is supreme. However, if Jupiter is afflicted or weak in your horoscope, then the overall strength of Jupiter gets affected. Let us now try to understand the impact of this transit of Jupiter on the people of Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, and Virgo signs. For the remaining signs, you may like to watch part 2 of this video series. For Aries ascendant, planet Jupiter is the lord of 9th and 12th houses and is a benefic planet for them. A well-placed Jupiter in your natal horoscope can give very beneficial results. During this transit, Jupiter in Aquarius will be going through the 11th house of gains and networking. The impact of Jupiter in the 11th house will lead to success, gains, and promotions. Your status will rise and people will give you importance. From 15th September, Jupiter will enter Capricorn, which is your 10th house of career. For Aries people, this transit is very profitable and you will be successful in your career. Your luck will support you and you will do well. However, till November, you may not benefit much from the stock market or speculation. Probably it can be one of the best transits for Aries natives since the 10th Lord Saturn already is in their 10th house of career. For students, a scholarship is looking as a good possibility and they will march to fulfill their dreams. If already married or in a relationship, then things will get more romantic and there will be happy times between the couples. Prospects of childbirth are very bright. Overall, children will behave and also relate very well with their parents. On the health front, it would be a good period, but be careful as the transit of planet Jupiter in Aquarius sign will lead to issues like laziness. If any health issue is going on, then there will be minor complications in it, but no serious issues are seen. Around November 21, Jupiter will again enter Aquarius and influence your 11th house. You will attain beneficial luck and your love life will improve too. You will also get better gains. In the Taurus horoscope, Jupiter is a malefic planet as it is the lord of the 8th and 11th houses. During this period of transit and retrograde and direct motions, Jupiter will be in the 10th and 9th houses, which will signify career, profession, work environment, seniors, father, teacher, luck, prosperity, abundance, grandparents, religious travels, etc. Let us see how it is going to affect the life of Taurus natives. To begin with, Jupiter's transit will have a direct impact on career and their position in society. In the beginning, the indications are that there will be some negative impact. Some events can take place or circumstances can develop at workplace which will lead to stress and sudden rivalry with colleagues. For employed natives, the promotion may get delayed or it may be of an unsatisfactory type. This might lead to a disheartening feeling. The relationship with the boss won't be smooth during this period. For the business owners, there could be dip in sales or some sudden and unwanted development. However, if the dasha in an individual horoscope is favorable, then it may lead to buying of a property or a vehicle. Also, it will lead to better financial prospects in future. For female natives, Jupiter is the significator of husband and its debilitation is not good for relationship with husband. There can be issues in marital life. In some cases, there is also a possibility of husband facing issues in his professional life. However, the confirmation will have to come from the husband's horoscope. For some of the natives, the health of mother or relationship with mother may become an issue. At the same time, it is advisable for the father to be careful about his finances. As mentioned earlier, Jupiter being the lord of the 8th and 11th house, its transit and retrograde motion periods could be negative for health. Some old problems may surface again. Also, problem areas could be chest, stomach and knees. During this period, you are advised to avoid hasty decisions for wealth and property. After 20th November, your career may take a turn and the health of your family members will begin to improve. For Gemini ascendant, Jupiter is the lord of 4th and 7th houses, which make it an auspicious planet. Broadly, these houses relate to marriage, partnership matters, and domestic life. During this transition of Jupiter in Aquarius and Capricorn, its impact will be over the 9th house of luck, father, and spirituality, and the 8th house, which signifies death, obstacles, and chronic health issues. Let us see how it is going to affect the Gemini natives. Retrogression of Jupiter in the 9th house can be both good and bad thing for the career. Employed natives need to be careful as there can be a transfer or a penalty for a mistake. In some cases, there can be strain in relationships with people at work. For business owners, this transit seems to bring better news for expansion plans to take off. As the wheel of time moves, some natives can see sudden gains. Similarly, gains from speculation or inheritance are quite possible and old investments will give benefits now. After mid-September, there are chances that money stuck up for a long time can now be available to you. Though your own individual horoscope will matter here. Your luck will favor you more till the middle of September. Similarly, before September 14, Jupiter in 9th house will boost the marriage plans for eligible natives. The marriage relationship will be healed if there are some problems right now. During mid-September to late November, you have chances to lean more towards spirituality. However, this period does not augur well for the relationship with the father, and also his health may be a matter of concern. Overall, this transit of Jupiter in 2021 is supportive in most areas of life and will pave the way for your success in the years to come. Before proceeding ahead with the rest of the forecast, here is an important announcement. This forecast is a general one for your zodiac sign and is based on the transit of planets. If you want specific astrological advice from us based on your individual horoscope, you are welcome. The individual predictions will be based on your unique horoscope, position of planets, their strengths, dasha system, and the transit. Just call us and book an appointment for consultation. And yes, that will be a paid consultation. And now let us continue with the forecast for the other three signs. Since Jupiter is the lord of the 6th and 9th house in a Cancer horoscope, it can confuse people about the results of Jupiter. Therefore, the study of placement of Jupiter in natal chart is important. Till 14th September, Jupiter will transit in Aquarius sign, which is the 8th house of Cancer ascendant. This house mainly rules over longevity, chronic health issues, inheritance, and some other negative matters. Therefore, during this period, you should be careful about money, wealth, and career matters in life. Some sudden negative events are not ruled out in the life of Cancer natives. However, it will depend on the position of planets in the individual horoscope and operating dasha. Chances of losing the job or money are not ruled out in some cases. Some lucky natives have a chance of getting inheritance money or getting their insurance claims settled, but there will be some complexity. Management of money will be the need of the hour, as expenses on account of health are possible. For business owners, speculation, gambling, or taking on a new partner is not recommended, and trusting anyone with money is not advisable at all. Issues in marriage can rise due to the weakness of Jupiter in the 8th house in Aquarius sign. Any unnecessary arguments are needed to be avoided because no results of such actions are expected. Court cases relating to divorce are likely to be settled now. Since Jupiter is the lord of 6th house, its transit in 8th house could be a reason for worry. After 15th September, the focus will shift to dealings with business partner and spouse. Some of you may plan overseas travel. In a Leo ascendant chart, Jupiter has the lordship of the 5th house and 8th house. In this period, Jupiter will transit through the 7th house to the 6th house and then back to the 7th house. It will have direct aspects on the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 10th, 11th and 12th houses. Jupiter will bring some good hopes for you, but in a practical way, things won't be going too good too much. But still you can expect some good changes and better results on the personal front overall. Also be careful of some enemies who may do backstabbing. Business will run better now and some load of debts is expected to reduce. If you need financial assistance such as loans or grants, it will be there. Avoid speculations or risky business ideas as you might suffer and ups and downs during this period. Since Jupiter is the significator of wealth and its aspect on the 2nd house from September 15 to November 20 is good for wealth. These are expected to be better times for finances and you should make all efforts to save money. There will be smart investments and they will give good results over the long term. If any dispute or a lawsuit is going on, then either you will gain from it or the matter will go for reconsideration. Jupiter moving over the 7th house and going to the 6th house in retrograde motion can affect married life and also marriage prospects, but marriage will take place. Since it can cause issues in married life, hence care is required. Some lifestyle-related health problems such as obesity, etc. is expected if you are in middle age or senior citizen. So try to stay healthy and fit. In a Virgo horoscope, although Jupiter has lordship over 2 Kendra houses, Jupiter is not considered so good. However, Jupiter is still a benefic planet here. During this period, Jupiter will be over the 6th house of death, health challenges, and enemies or competitors. The retrograde transit of Jupiter through the 6th house will lead to enemies at work getting active, and they might try to harm you with some new strategies. Business owners may feel that their luck is not favoring them in getting better than their competitors. So a careful and systematic approach is required during this transit. In some cases, promotions or increments can be delayed and loss of job can also happen. But new opportunities will also come quite soon. Prospects of some benefits from overseas are bright. On September 15th, Jupiter will enter the 5th house of children, knowledge, speculation, and past life karmas. With kids, there will be stress for them or challenges in relationships with them. There are indications that students of professional courses and higher classes may feel distracted. The best remedy to do well in their exams would be to revise the entire syllabus. For investors, the value of old investments might come down and gains from speculation are definitely not expected. After September 15, you may become more stable financially and your income will continue to rise. As Jupiter is a lord of the 7th house and its retrograde motion in the 6th house will lead to issues with spouse. There is a possibility of your maternal uncles and aunts to suffer during June 20 to September 15. Jupiter in the 6th house can lead to health-related issues, especially if you are a diabetic or obese. There is a need for proper attention. Friends, that was my forecast according to your zodiac sign. In case you want to watch this forecast in Hindi, then the link to the video is given in the description box below. Friends, please do like and share this video. After subscribing to this channel, please click the bell icon also. I wish you a very safe, healthy, happy and prosperous period ahead.